Hi friends. Today I will show you 7 coolest gadgets worth buying, which you can buy from online stores. Please give a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's begin. Bosch FreshUp. Fresh cloths gives a feeling like no other. But dirty cloths makes some smells, which make you to feel uncomfortable. FreshUp provides solution to refresh your cloths instantly. FreshUp comes with a plasma technology, which dissolves the odor particles without water or any other chemicals. A busy life make you feel as uncomfortable. Bosch FreshUp quickly removes the odors from the cloths, even while you are wearing them, and giving your confidence back. To use this, simply turn it on and wipe it over the fabrics. Bosch FreshUp with plasma technology. Roland AE-05. This is a digital wind instrument. There are 11 expressive instruments on board, including a variety of sax sounds. You can play them anywhere. This flute comes with built-in battery and speaker. SmartDesk 3. This desk uses AI to increase the productivity. SmartDesk 3 is a self-learning workstation, which can learn your habits and preferences. SmartDesk 3 allows you to control your environment, your sit-to-stand preferences, your health and your productivity, all at a single touch. A workstation that truly works for you. It learns you to understand your priorities and anticipate your needs. Color Perfect. This comes with an inbuilt display to select the cloth types. Color Perfect is a compact and quick ironing solution that works by clamping onto collars, cuffs, creases between buttons and other parts to smooth out. TAU Power Bank. This power bank comes with dual cables, Apple Lightning and USB Type-C cables. TAU Power Bank is a patented ultra-compact power bank. You can actually snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need. Integrated cables makes TAU as universal compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and micro USB devices. With TAU Power Bank you can charge virtually every portable devices. This power bank comes with unique power dock, which you can stick it on wall or in your desk. All you need to do is set your case and TAU will start charging, so that you will always have a fully charged power bank with you. Squeaky Clean Feet. Squeaky Clean Feet has been optimized to meet the numerous needs of every user with its thoughtful and functional design. This treats your feet to a luxurious spa-like treatment in the comfort of your own home. Actually, it cleans, massage, exfoliate and reduces your stress. This comes with a 14 oversized suction cups. Thousands of ultra soft scrubbers will clean the heel, sole, ankle, sides, top and even cleans toes. GEAR Desklite. This foggish GEAR Desklite LED study lamp will change the complete look of your simple desk. Its inbuilt LED lights come with brightness adjustment for your convenience. It has a calendar and clock display which add to its utility. The flexible and portable design of this lamp makes it travel friendly.